This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Luminari Project ONE. This thing is so cool. The whole body is made out of carbon fiber. This is insane. This is how you open it. I could do this the entire day. Listen to the sound. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this one. I mean, you would think that this is regular 300 SL, right? But ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about a quite special project here. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Luminari Project ONE. I'm out here in New York. The company is based in New York and it invites me here to check out their special build here. This is the Luminari ONE. It's limited to 5 cars in total, and in today's video I want to walk you through and show you everything about it because this car is so cool. I mean, you can already see by the seats that this is not a regular 300 SL. Let me show you the engine and tell you more about the story. We will be talking about the interior in a second. Let me just do this, and then we have something underneath here that looks kind of odd, right? Here we have the Mercedes AMG V6. This is actually based on an SL43 AMG. As you can see from the outside and the inside, the engine here looks so weird. This thing is so cool. In today's video I want to walk you through and tell you everything about this story. This is the V6. I think it's producing 385 horsepower. The whole body is made out of carbon fiber. This is insane. So Luminari has decided to give us easier to drive version of the 300 SL. So the outside is the 300 SL. The body, all of it, is actually not used from a donor car. This has all been made by Luminari, is carbon fiber. You can already see it here. The base car is the SL43 and they have decided to give this a cool look. I am a huge fan of the way this has turned out. Yeah, let me just walk you through and show you. Since this is called the Luminari Project ONE, it's quite cool the way they have finished the exterior paintwork. As you can see, it's old silver. And then we have the transition to carbon fiber. This is exposed carbon fiber. This is what the body is made of, forged carbon fiber. And then, since we have the Project ONE edition here, we have the amazing, it's all painted, right? Painted Mercedes Benz stars on the body. Gullwing doors, just like in the original car, with the original opening and closing. This is so cool. I love it. We will be talking about the interior in a second. Let me just give you a sneak preview here. Huge fan of the way they did the steering wheel at this point. Closing the door. And yeah, let me walk you through the body and show you all you need to see about this. As soon as you see it, first sight from the outside, you would think it's a modified version of a 300 SL, right? I mean, as soon as you look at the front here with the grille or on the wheels, or the way the car is actually standing, I mean, it's sitting a bit higher, has bigger wheels probably, and yeah, but this is fully modified. It's just so cool. This is a really nice, emotional car, cool project. The front, as you can see here, they have the lights, they have the grille, even with the AMG styling here, so-called Panamericana grille, with the iconic Mercedes Benz star, and a lot of chrome on the front bumper. As soon as you look on the bonnet here, you can see the forged carbon here as well. Really cool. All silver finish in the front, and then you see the transition towards the back. Huge fan of the way they did it. This is based on the SL43 Cabriolet. They have removed everything, made the car even lighter with the carbon fiber body. It's quite cool. Yeah, this is how the car looks from the side. I mean, as you guys know me, I'm a huge fan of the 300 SL, of the most iconic Mercedes of our time. It's not even of our time, it's the most legendary and iconic car Mercedes has ever built. They have won quite a lot of races. They have, man, until today the car looks timeless. I mean, this is so cool the way they have did it. The wheels, something quite interesting is the center cap. So funny, really cool. These are 18 inches. in German we would call them the Gullideckel. And then we have the center Mercedes Benz star here. Really nice. On the side, the fins here, quite traditional with the Mercedes Benz design. These are not functional, as you can see, it's fully closed, forged carbon, just for the looks, and I love it. If you look at the body, you would say, yeah, you've took a 300 SL and just modified it. No, they've done everything by themselves. It's all hand built. It's quite interesting. I think the only thing they have copy pasted is maybe the wipers. Even the glass has been extended. In the inside you have way more space. All the glasses. Also we have the chrome surroundings here. Everything is made by Luminari. Here you see it. The way they did it, such an emotional, cool project. I love it. Towards the back you can see with a cool transition here with all the Mercedes Benz stars. Huge fan. Also here in the back with the fading color. Luminari finish also here on the back with the AMG F1 Petronas colors here. Project ONE finish. Love it. The lights here has been also fully custom made by Luminari. Even the rear bumper here. Love the quality. The exhaust is also made for this car here in specific. I have to tell you guys one thing. I like this a lot. Let me show you the inside and give you a few more insights. This is how you open it. I could do this the entire day. I'm doing it again. Don't worry. You push this and then you pull it out. This is also the way the original 300 SL Gullwing opens. Yeah, with a keyhole here as well. Then you lift it up and then you have the interior here. This looks really interesting. As soon as you just focus on what we have here. The steering wheel has been completely modified to match with the iconic 300 SL. This is actually a steering wheel that you can take out. Should I do it? Give me a second. Here you go, guys. As you can see, I just removed the steering wheel. It's easy. Just click in and out. We have a wireless charging inside the 300 SL. This is so cool. And easier entrance now for you. We even have an umbrella. Look at this. Rolls-Royce like carbon fiber umbrella. This is so cool. Just putting it back in. Here you go, Luminari entrance. All the details in the interior look so cool. The seats have been also modified. You can see by the back cover, it's all forged carbon fiber. We have the SLC 43 dials and display here, as you can see. And something quite interesting. As you can see, instead of a display, we have a watch winder. This watch actually comes with every single car that's been sold. So all of the 5 watches come with a special Luminari Jacob & Co. special watch. Watch this. Watch this. This is Jacob & Co. and Luminari specific. See? It has the side profile of the 300 SL. Hand winded by Jacob & Co. All forged carbon fiber. Alcantara Dinamica finish. Indicators. SLC 43. Also the air vents here. The gear shifter, the AC control unit, and all the other units. The control units are actually here on top. See? This is for the air scarf. This is for the seat heating. It all works. Dynamic select. And then we have this start stop button. That's right over here, where you can actually start your 300 SL looking Luminari Project ONE. I am a huge fan of what they have done here. The steering wheel is so heavy, but this looks so cool. So this is my POV of today. Here we are right inside the Luminari Project ONE. Let me just close the door here. Watch this. Whoa. The steering wheel is right on this side over here. Watch this. As soon as you're ready to drive, you just put it on. Give me a second, I will do that later on after I explain you everything in the inside over here. Forged carbon fiber all around. Really cool and extremely comfortable seats here. SLC 43 specific seats. Forged carbon fiber all around the interior. Luminari details, air scarf, and the seat control buttons right over here. So I just put on the steering wheel, as you can see here. It's quite cool. As soon as you just pull this, just comes off. Don't do that while driving. We even have the iconic 300 SL specific windows here. As soon as you just push that up, you can just open and close the window. We'll not do that now. I have to tell you guys, I really love this project. Even the gear selector from the SLC 43, gas and brake pedals also the exact same. So cool. So this is quite cool. This is the wireless charging port over here. This is the start stop button, and that's the key. This is so funny. 3 to 1, let's start it up. Listen. Here is a V6. literally the V6. So I've just started up the 300 SL here. Listen to the sound. Luminari is also giving you the option to do the exact same with the V8. So it's all up to you. Let's just jump out and let's listen to the sound also from the outside. Okay, so now it's all about the sound from the outside. We will be closing the door and we will be listening to the sound of the 300 SL. It's actually a SLC43. 3 to 1, let's go. This is just so cool. So this is it for the sound check. Here we go. We have the luggage set that's also coming with the car. Luminari, which was founded in 2014. All of this is handmade, full leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber all around. And you will get one of this set as soon as you buy one of those cars. How do you guys like the Luminari Project ONE? Just leave it in the comment section below. I have to tell you, this is a quite cool project, and there's actually another car of Luminari that I will be filming for you soon, so stay tuned for that.